In this video, I will show you how to hide status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 or 11. Click on Start. Open File Explorer. Here click on View. Here click on these three dots, then Options. Now here click on View. Here you will see the option Show Status Bar. If you need to hide and turn off, uncheck this setting. Show Status Bar, uncheck this setting. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. That's it. This is the way you can hide and turn off status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.